What is your name? I lost her name. By show of hands, how many of you ready to learn magic? By show of hands, how many of you love magic? To learn magic and enjoy magic, and I truly appreciate that. By the end of this program, you will get to take 2 major key takeaways. Are you ready? The first one is you will have a great time enjoying the tricks. 2, I am going to teach you the tricks. Yes, I am going to be giving away my secrets to you. So are you ready? Before we begin the session, I would like to introduce my team and myself. This is Bhunesh. He has come all the way from Pondicherry and he is going to engross you with his tricks. And this is Asra Magician. He has come all the way from Tanjore and he is going to enchant you with his tricks. So are you ready? And I am Viha and I love reading Harry Potter. I was so fascinated by it that I decided to learn magic. Another interesting thing about me is that I used to hate maths, but not anymore. After learning maths through magic from Pavitra Coach, I started loving it and I am going to teach you as well. So let's get started. The name of the magic is Disappearing Hat. Okay, for that I need one person of yours. I want you to write your name inside this chit and I am going to disappear your name. Everybody can see it? Now, do you want me to make her name disappear from it? Repeat the spell after me. Abracadabra. Repeat, come on. What is your name? I lost her name.
Check it. Oh my God.
Do you want me to bring her name back? Do you want her name back? Come on. Now reverse it. Her name's back. I want one more person to try this trick. You to write your name.
Vihan has written it vertically. Yeah. Let us see. Will you be able to disappear vertically? Oh, powerful magic.
Oh my God. Can you see? Everybody can see? Now let's disappear his name again. I'm really sorry your name's gonna get lost. Come on, repeat. I'm sorry your name's lost. Do you want your name back? Got his name back!
Nilani is coming.
Done? Everybody can see? Let's make her name disappear as well. Come on. You want your name back? Repeat, come on. Let's move on with the second trick. The name of this trick is X-ray eyes. You all have eyes, but I have X-ray eyes. I can see through everything. I can see through you too. But let's move on. I need one. Can I have you? Yes. A big round of applause for her. I want you to change the color of the dice and show it to everybody, and I will guess it without seeing it. Okay?
Yeah.
You sure you closed it properly? You want to check again? Sure?
Tightly closed.
Tightly? Want to check? Perfect?
Rian wants to check.
You want to check?
Excellent.
Can you see? You want to check again if it's closed? You want to? You want to? Nobody wants to? I can see. It's red.
It is red.
Thank you so much.
We call one more volunteer. Can you give Adira a big round of applause? Oh, kept up.
Done?
Yes.
You want to check again?
No.
Sure?
Yeah.
100%?
Yeah.
You want to check if it's closed or not? You want to?
They teach you in the end. They
You
teach
want to see?
All
Nobody wants
the
to see?
medicines
Done?
they teach you that
It's
in the end.
blue. Thank you so much.
Okay, Rishi will call. Rishi, come now. Come, quickly. Can you give Rishi a big round? Shraddha, I did the magic trick. You saw some came disappear. Coming, Ella. Coming. Show everybody.
Done? You want to check it again? You sure?
Yes.
Pakka? You want to?
Do one thing now once again. Just open the lid. Just open the lid. Open the lid. Give the lid to everybody. You show the lid around the doubt பண்றானா இல்ல நீங்க காமிங்க உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப டைம் ஆயிடும் நான் show it to him money our inspector SI
It's a sticker. It's a sticker.
okay
Okay.
Done? You want to check it again? Sure?
Yes.
You remember what you did? It's red. Thank you so much. Now, how many of you ready for math magic? Say I. Now, I want you. Yes. The name of the magic is magical number. Okay? For this, I'll. Here. You'll be needing this. Now I want you to think of a 3-digit number. So if in decreasing order, for example 3, 2, 1, it can be in any order but decreasing order. I want you to write.
yes yeah
Now reverse it. If you've taken 3, 2, 1, you should reverse it to 1, 2, 3 and subtract. Now whatever answer you've got, reverse it and add. You reversed and got one answer, reverse it and add.
reverse it and add
Give an example.
If you've got 197, add it with 791. 197 plus 791.
मैं देखो
Your answer should be of 4 digits. I will guess your answer. Your answer of your first digit is 1, 0, 8 and 9. Now, let's move on to the next magic. The name of the next magic is numerous. Okay, I want you to think of a 3-digit number. Doesn't matter how it is, a 3-digit number. Everybody done? Now add each digit. If you have thought of 1, 2, 3, add 1 plus 2 plus 3. Add each digit. Now subtract your answer with the number you thought. Subtract the answer that you got right now, the single digit number with the number you thought. 3-digit number.
Whatever is the answer which you got now after adding, subtract it with the 3-digit number which you thought of initially.
whatever answer you have got, multiply it with a 4-digit number.
Any 4-digit number. Multiply it with any 4-digit number.
Now, whatever answer you've got, it should be either of 6 digits or 7 digits. Now,
Have you got a 6 or a 7-digit number?
add each digit how you did in the first. Like if you've got 11504, then add 1 plus 1 plus 5 plus 0 plus 4.
Add all the digits. Add all the digits together.
Everyone, now you'll get a 2-digit answer. Add both of them. All of yours answer is 9. Am I right?
How many of you got 9? Raise your hand. Shanmishra, you got 9? Everybody
Sorry? You got 9? Thank you so much for your participation. Yes. How many of you ready for card magic? Say aye. For this, I will be needing you. Yes. The name of the magic is magician, right? I will guess your card without seeing it. Okay? Yeah. Ritika, I want you to shuffle these cards and pick 7 random cards from this.
Any 7 cards.
7 random cards.
Can I see the cards?
Yeah, you can see the cards.
amazing. Go and see.
Yeah, but you should not show me. You have to keep it the side, right?
Oh, okay.
Wait, I forgot.
7. You want to shuffle these?
Should we memorize those cards?
No, not necessary. You want to shuffle these?
No, it's okay.
Done. Now I want everybody to see the last card, but don't tell me. Okay? Everybody saw?
Yes.
I want you to spell magician, the word magician along with me. M-A-G-I-C-I-A-N. Now we're going to do the process of down under. We're going to keep one card down and one card under. Ready? Down, under.
Down, under, down, under, down, under, down, under, down.
Are you ready? Was this your card? Let's move on with the next magic. The name of the magic is Hidden Aces. Okay, we're gonna Aces. The A's. Now, we need to take 16 power cards. Kings, Queens, Jokers, and Aces. Okay.
These are called as what cards? Aina?
What is this?
Power cards. These are all aces. Okay.
This one. Done. Now we're gonna place it anywhere we want. Okay.
And I will show you one.
Now I will turn 4 random cards, each in one line. So I have taken this. Now we're gonna fold it. Now top to bottom. Will I be able to find the aces?
Yes.
Yes? You sure? I will be able to
I
find?
know you're very confident. Doubt it.
Because it's magic.
She found all the food.
Everybody can see this coin?
Yes.
Everybody? Now I am going to make it disappear in front of your eyes. Do you believe it?
No.
But I can do it. See, you see the card? Now I'm going to put it in my palm, in my fist. I think of it. Let's bring it back. Okay, wait. I can see the coin. I can see the coin. the coin comeback. Thank you so much for your participation.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills. I want you to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment.